KRKR stock analysis. Next week and onward, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at 336 KR holding stock. You know, it's not a penny stock anymore, unfortunately. No, it's not unfortunate. I mean, last week was crucial. And because we started to run things up, I was very open to just doubling down on that side. And I still quite frankly am. But I'm only going to buy if I saw a double break, you know, and I never saw a double break. So what does this mean? It means that if I see something like this, then and only then I'm still looking to take things up. Now, it really depends, you know, depends whether we break 732 first or 552 first. Because we cannot stay here forever. One is going to give, and whatever gives first is how I act and continue in accordance to everything else. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.